Hello, my name is John Aguinaga, and I am a fourth year PhD candidate at the University of California, Davis, under the advisement of Dr. Kate Laskowski. Let me tell you a little bit about my dissertation work, which I have titled Information Takers and Makers: Behavioral Variation Binds Mixed Species Groups Together. Mixed species groups are very common in nature, but why they come together in the first place is not very well understood. A mixed species group can be defined as a moving group of animals that forms through interspecific attraction. And this is interesting because you can begin to ask what makes a species unique. There are a variety of different characteristics, including things such as genetics, life history, experiences, physical characteristics, and what I'm interested in, behavior. The Amazon molly is a clonal, unisexual fish that reproduces by parasitizing the sperm of one of her parents. She originated from a single hybridization event between two closely related fish, the Atlantic molly on the left and the sailfin molly on the right. And this allows me to ask very interesting questions about mixed species grouping. And here, in this particular work, I am interested in understanding to what extent do these two species differ in how they collect and use information about risky environmental conditions. In order to address this question, I devise an open field novel foraging assay to understand how individual fish from both species explore their environment under control settings, social control settings, and when a predator is present. The social control is when a treatment stimulus contains the conspecific fish over here in that yellow box. The predator presence treatment is when a predator, the electric yellow lab cichlid, is in that treatment stimulus tank, and a control is when that treatment stimulus tank is empty. We use artificial intelligence and automated tracking to extract interesting behavioral metrics. We find some very interesting results, namely that the Atlantic mollies are quicker than the Amazon mollies in open space. We also find that Amazon mollies tend to spend more time foraging than Atlantic mollies, and for reference, the Amazon molly in this figure is the purple bar there. Lastly, we find that Amazon and Atlantic mollies, they differ in how they collect and use information about risk. And this is going to lead me to my future work, which I ask the same types of questions, but instead of single fish in these assays, it'll be groups of fish. I want to thank all the people who I've listed here, but a special shout outs to the ARCS Foundation for providing me generous funding. Thank you.